I'm going to show you how to add the FAQ Canvas template into your current website. You're going to open up your website, whatever page you want to add the canvas to, and we're going to click on the page itself and click these three dots. That will open up this menu here, and you're going to click on Add New Canvas. You should have already added the template to your account, so you're going to go to My Library and click on FAQ Canvas. Then click on Home, that is the only page available in this template, and click on Questions as we're only adding one canvas, and this will pop up the FAQ Canvas template. Now you can come down here to Import Options, and you can either import it in the original design, which is what I have it as right now, or you can apply your current fonts and colors. Now, when I import the colors and the fonts of this template that's I'm working on for my current website, you notice that everything changes. So I'm going to actually keep the original design, and I'm going to make the changes to customize this template within the website itself. So go ahead and click Add. So the template is now added to the bottom of the page. I'm going to click on it, and I can slide it anywhere I want it. So let's say I would like it up here. So now the template has been uploaded, but of course the colors do not fit the color scheme of my website. So I'm going to adjust a few things to make it look just right. There we go. A few easy steps, and the FAQs has been added to my website, and it fits the look of my current website.